guys, Kashrox here and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today is gonna be a cook with me segment, and what we're going to be doing today is to show you guys how we can actually prepare African salad, which is popularly known as Abacha in Igbo land. It's a kind of a special food in Igbo land. So today I'm going to be showing you guys, if you're in China or you're abroad, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually convert your cassava tuber to Abacha from scratch. First, here I have my tuber already. I ordered this on Pinduoduo. If you want the link, just let me know down in the comment section. Okay, so we're going to be starting up right now. Okay, so I started off by washing this cassava. Our aim is to keep the tubers very clean. Once I was done with this, I went ahead to start slicing to the shapes I wanted. I cut this to 3 different sizes. You can cut to your own desired or your preferred size, but it depends on the tuber you have with you. After this, I went ahead to start peeling. This doesn't really look so difficult to peel. Just watch the video and you learn how I did mine. Do this for the rest of the cassava you have with you. Once you're done with this, just go ahead and wash, because like I said, our aim is to keep the tubers very clean. Add enough water to cover up the cassava and bring it to boil. Make sure you always check this cassava, because you wouldn't want to cook this for so long, because I actually did this mistake the first time. I'm going to be showing you guys the difference between leaving it to cook for so long and leaving it to cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. So this is the particular grater I actually got on Pinduoduo. Pinduoduo is actually an app you can buy things from here in China. This is the time we can start to shred the cassava, start slicing it. Like I said, when you're doing yours, make sure you don't cook for so long, because this is the mistake I did and this was actually breaking. Just stay tuned and watch the end of this video. You're going to see the one I actually cooked for 2 minutes, so you know the difference. If you're still watching this video, please kindly take your time to thumbs up this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget that liking this video will make YouTube to push it to more audience, thereby making this video get a lot of views. So please kindly thumbs up, like this video if you like it. Now this is how the cassava actually look right now. You can see it's still gumming. So right now we just go ahead to add a lot of water to it. Do not wash it now, just add water and cover. Cover it and leave it to the next day, and this is the time we can start up to wash. It's advisable you start up your abacha process in the night, so the following day you start up with your washing. And while you're washing this, please be gentle with it, wash it slightly so you don't end up piecing it. Do this 2 to 3 times. Some people actually do theirs up to 5 times, but because the one here in China doesn't have a lot of starch, so you can just do this for like 3 times. Now this is how the cassava looked after I finished washing it. After I finished washing it for 3 times. At this time you can go ahead to dry it or go ahead to start cooking it, but I went ahead to cook it this way. So the rest of this video that you're going to be watching is the second process I actually did. This was quite easy for me to do because I just cooked this for 2 minutes and I brought it down to cool off, then I sliced. So it was so easy. Repeat the same process you did for the first one and voila, your abacha is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like this video. Like I said earlier on, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. Watch my other content, even the one I prepared abacha. Do hope to see you next on my other videos. Bye.